Hello dears, you can locally make this perfect yogurt even without having a yogurt making machine. All you need to do is just sterilize your cups and the spoons you're meant to use. Then your main ingredient is powdered milk and water. But if you have the fresh milk from cow, then lucky you. First of all, we're going to measure out the milk powder. This is how perfectly you should measure it. Exactly the way I'm doing this. So if you're going to use 2 cups of milk powder, then you're going to use 2 cups of room temperature water to dissolve it. Then you go ahead and use 2 cups of bricks boiling water to add to it. That will give you the most perfect temperature for making yogurt. This is how you measure out your water. It won't be to the brim. There's a line on that part of the cup, your measuring cup. That's where your liquid should be. So you mix it thoroughly, but there will be some little lumps. So after mixing, just try and sieve it. Whenever you're making yogurt, after mixing, try and sieve it to get rid of those tiny lumps. And then you're going to have smooth, silky yogurt. So once you're done sieving, add your bricks boiling water directly from the heat source. Don't remove from the heat source before you add to the milk. It should be direct while it's still boiling. Now you mix it up and add your probiotic, or if you have already made yogurt, good. 2 spoons will do for this whole thing, but you can add more. This is to increase the probiotic in your milk. So you mix thoroughly, then you cover tightly, then wrap it up and leave it in an undisturbed place for 12, 18 or 24 hours. So this is after 12 hours. I prefer mine after 12 hours. Let's see how the yogurt is. So our yogurt, perfect yogurt is formed. The yogurt is so thick, it hasn't been strained yet. If you need it to be Greek yogurt, you strain at this point. You see how thick the yogurt is? This is just normal yogurt, not Greek yogurt. It's this thick. So always save some yogurt for the next batch of yogurt making. This serves as your yogurt starter. You don't need to start looking for probiotic anytime you need to make yogurt. So at this point, you can do whatever you like with your yogurt. You smoothie it, then you can even add fruits. You can add sweetener of your choice, whether it's natural or artificial. Add coloring so it can be fun for the kids as well. Then flavor of your choice too. You can go ahead and add any flavor of your choice. Then keep it refrigerated and use whenever you need to. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so now and invite others too. You're welcome.